What's going on YouTube? It's me. Today we're doing light from TryHackMe, which is short and unique room about SQL injection. I think it's great to be learning something about here, how to run database and about MySQL commands. But there's something different. You cannot do into with MySQL map. They're doing manually something. So you have to be to check your skills on SQL injection for sure. So let's just jump in. There's just saying I'm working on database application called light with the trade out. So if so is application running on port on 3037 and is in key we can use the smoky for the start. Then you have to be get admin usernames, password and flag and the values of that. But you have to be checked first this one, right? So let's just jump in. I'm gonna be start with here and cat with this, and it's gonna say it says you can start with smoky and soon giving the password of smoky. So there's we can try something easy to get, the other usernames like admin or something like that, right? But it's gonna say is username not font. So here you can say it's basic, but we can try something different like the administrator, really basic SQL injection payload, and it's gonna say for strange reason I can explain any inputs like to dash dash or the another's SQL injection payloads. We are pretty sure right now it's about SQL injection. So it's room. It's important what we can try to be get it. For example, the other SQL injection payloads like select, I'm gonna say and says there's word in there I don't like, so we have to be bypass it first. Like now we can try select. Now what it says are the username not found, so we can bypass it with this. So what if I calling here union, by the way, and it's gonna say again there's a word in there I don't like, and then we can try to be bypass it with this to some capital, the word is over there, so which is cool. So then I think we can try to be get the users with the table, right? So there's an I think it's great for to expecting us actually to running database. So if there's products, these products could be names, usernames, passwords, tables, or in others. And then when it's calling here, select all from products and giving here. So these are not important too much and explain us here. So any importer can be injected without binding. It's gonna say to get it here with the table and giving table name and like, and so then dash the column is here. So there's the SQL queries and double the dash, but I don't think so it's gonna be work to always. So it's because it's a CTF, it's not real life, right? So these are the grades, by the way, if you want to be read to be get something about it. So I think we can try to be look at first what is the table name, right? So gonna be showing us here. So we can try to go payloads, all the things is over there, and then for MySQL we can check SQL injection. It wants to be need to be somewhere. MySQL injection is here. What we can look at first, the payloads is over here. Everything you so you need from where is work, right? That's cool. The you wanna be understand how the database work and how to inject your payloads here. There's a great things. So it's calling here blind with like gonna be work here. Well, there's a room is calling here the light, and there's a blind is coming here common, and there's a select code from customer, and then we can change it with customer with usernames or any others. But first of all, let's get the table name, and which is here. So let's go. I want to do it again. Okay. So let's start with some key. For example, so we can call it here A. It doesn't matter too much, but let's give it here like that. We have to be running here union, but it's not work, right? So we have to be bypass it. So let's run it with union or something like that, or select, right? So we can call in here select name from SQLite master, which is default database name, and where need to be called here the table name. With class name we have no right, and we can call it here type, which is table directly here, where type and to table. So I'm giving it here the password, but it's not the password, it's a table name, right? So it's calling here admin table, and we were available to be get here admin table. So now we can inject the select on the admin, or to be the usernames, password, or any others from as an admin table, right? Where and it's calling here usernames like this one. Alright, so let's jump in. Again, I'm gonna use smoky and union select. First of all, let's try to get here username. If it does not exist, we can try then like usernames or and others. The from admin table and where username like. So it's not important, so you may want to give in here everything you want, and it's gonna be passing, right? So there was not able to be get it, so and recognize admin token is calling. So let's run it with this one. So you were able to be giving here this without this dash, so it's calling here TryHackMe admin. So it wasn't asking us the first question as what is the admin username, and the next one will ask the password for question 1. So we need to be do the same thing for the password. So I'm going to call it here the smoky and union select doing for the password, and I think it's gonna be on the same thing admin table, the word username, and we have already username raw, and we can call it here TryHackMe admin, right? Which is here, and it's giving us here. There was something look like not work. We can try again to remove it and try again, and it will be giving us here the password. So now the next question will be here, what is the flag we have to be get here, the flag value. Then it's giving us everything we need and for the flag, and when we are trying to be get. So I'm going to be actually show you something. So if we are doing this for if it's giving us here the password, so let's calling this if you are giving here anything like TryHackMe admin, like we can try with TryHackMe admin, and what is gonna say, and let's see. So is it giving here us to here different password, right? So the word username is TryHackMe admin, or we can try TryHackMe ADM, gonna be giving us here same password. So this database do is if username exists, give him pass. If it's not, giving this password. So what we can try, so for example there's a time users, and we cannot try the all usernames for which one is not exist, so we can try while is not equal to usernames, right? So I'm gonna be using same thing with the summa key union select to password from admin table name where username is not equal to admin username. And now let's see what's gonna say is, and there's another the value of the table, and which is equal to here flag, and is gonna be giving us here. So and this is the first things I think you can try for to be get it. So anyway you can also try if there's on the flag value, and then you can try to flag value for to be initted, and it's gonna also work. So this is a short room, and thank you for watching.